We're here at Schober Technologies and I'm talking to Gerald Glaas. Good morning to you and welcome on INKISH. How are you today, sir?
Good morning. Yes, I'm in a good mood.
Fantastic.
Just back from traveling, from A to B to Z.
Yeah, at least we can now, right?
Yeah, so now we can. And so I'm the sales director of Schober Technologies, a member of the management board, and active on a worldwide level. Besides me, we also have other colleagues handling the local markets. Myself, I'm now for 25 years at Schober Technologies. Started apprenticeship in another company as a tool maker, studied later on. So that means technical and commercial parts I'm handling, and also customer dedicated developments.
Right, so we should know Schober from tooling, but also from a lot of big, let's say we see your equipment in some big installations as well. But give us a little update. Do you also have like solutions for the digital print market, which are mainly smaller installations? What do you bring to the market today?
Schober Technologies basically is now more than 75 years operating on the market. It's known as a tool maker and as a maker of components for OEM integration into customers' machines, as well as a manufacturer for inline and offline converting machines. Here in the digital market, we are especially talking about offline finishing equipment, which is taking web printed material, unwinding the material, cutting it and stacking it. This is the main idea.
And is this for what substrates can you handle?
We have two product lines. One machine is dedicated for film and foil, mainly in-mold label material, durables. Those are films between, I would say, 40 micron and 150 micron of thickness. Those are usually die cut and stacked. And the second product line is for cardboard converting. This machine can handle films, but also cardboards, which go up to a thickness of 500 GSM. In that case of the cardboard handling, the machine is equipped additionally with a creasing station. It has two stations, one for creasing and one for die cutting.
So, as we were talking a little bit earlier, for example, your DigiVaricut, it's something that you bring into the market. So, what speeds are we talking about, and what is actually the USP that you bring into the equation? Because obviously this is high-tech equipment.
Yeah. In the case of converting printed materials, we are running in a continuous mode. In a continuous mode, we can achieve speeds of a couple of hundreds meters per minute, which is not necessarily at that stage needed for digital. In the case of digital, we are running either in a continuous mode for speeds up to 80 meters per minute, for stacking, let me say, flimsy, delicate products like in-mold labels, for example, or with a double spider stacking system. And if we go to more flexibility, this means we have also the DigiVaricut product line. This machine can handle material in a very flexible way without changing the magnetic cylinder. In that case, the speeds, they go down to 50 cycles per minute, which is translated into about 30 meters per minute web speed.
Right, and then we're talking semi-rotary or?
Yes, it's a kind of semi-rotary process. That means we feed in the material, pull back the material, feed it in. So each revolution is registered newly. And that makes it very precise in terms of register. And in addition, this makes it very flexible because with a magnetic cylinder, which is covering the maximum repeat of the printing machine, for example, we can do either this repeat in the continuous mode or pull back the material and do shorter repeats. Like if you have a maximum development of 1 meter and you have a print job of 800 millimeter, we pull back 200 millimeter and reinsert it. And the only thing you need to change is your flexible die. You can keep the magnetic cylinders in the machine, and this makes it very fast for changing over a job and very economic.
Wow, fantastic. It's great to see all of these developments and these new product lines evolving and coming into the market. So thank you so much, Gerald. And
thank you very much.
Hope to see you soon.
Yeah,
Thank you.